Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best puzzle toys for dogs that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Gyro interactive treat dispensing dog toy. The Gyro dog toy is a simple but well-designed treat dispensing toy from the internationally renowned canine company Kong. This is a great introduction to dog puzzle toys as it doesn't involve a huge amount of strategy and the results are immediate. The blue central sphere has a hole to release treats as your dog touches and spins it. The smaller the treats, the easier it is to leave a tasty trail as your dog nudges it around the kitchen floor. There is an opportunity to make the Gyro more of a challenge for your dog by adding chunkier treats. The dispensing hole is approximately 2 centimeters diameter, slightly smaller than a 1-pound coin. The red outer ring slows the dispenser, stopping it from spinning out of control and sliding under your cupboards. The inner blue ball is transparent so you can see when it's empty and simply unscrews for easy cleaning. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Earth-rated treat dispensing dog toy. The Earth-rated treat dispenser is a practical and compact toy that will keep your pup entertained for hours. Resembling a rubber vase, this treat dispenser wobbles and bounces, scattering treats as it goes. It's fun and functional, the perfect blend of play and reward. Built to withstand even the toughest chewers, Earth-rated recommends sizing up to accommodate any super chewer tendencies and removing it once it has dispensed all the treats. No toy is completely indestructible. It's worth mentioning that the treat opening measures 2 centimeters in diameter, which is ideal for smaller treats and most brands of kibble. Here we're using Scrumble's 60% chicken dry food. We'll be glad to know it can be thrown in the dishwasher, top rack, after use and is freezer safe, so could be used for frozen treats. Although you could use it with soft treats like peanut butter, we think it would be quite tricky to clean, so our advice: stick with kibble or crunchy treats. At number 3, we have the Starmark Bob a Lot interactive dog toy. Starmark has been the world leader in pet education for over a decade, with award-winning training and behavior tools developed by experts. We bought and tested the Starmark Bob a Lot interactive dog puzzle toy to see what all the fuss was about. The Bob a Lot was surprisingly heavy and sturdy. It wobbles around the floor on its weighted base, and as your dog nudges with their nose and paws, it releases treats. Firstly, you simply fill the top with your dog's favorite treat, or if they have a kibble diet, you could put their whole meal inside. Adjust the 2 openings to alter the difficulty to release the food and you're all set. We love that you have some flexibility to make your dog work harder, and after some trial and error we were able to open the slots just enough to keep Freddy interested but make it challenging. At number 2, we have the Outward Hound Hide a Squirrel plush dog toy puzzle. Dogs love to chase a squirrel, although I'm not sure they'd know what to do if they managed to catch one. Here's a soft toy version of your dog's favorite pastime. Simply stuff the squeaky squirrels in the tree trunk tube, and watch as your dog pull them out one by one. It's challenging as your dog needs to learn to nuzzle into each hole and pull their prized stuffed squirrel out. It's difficult to find well-designed dog toys that look nice around your home as well as make your dog happy. The Hide a Squirrel toy from Outward Hound is perfect, plus it offers a great alternative to a treat-based puzzle. Available in 4 different sizes to suit a range of dogs, we tested the medium-sized toy, which measures approximately 17 by 15 centimeters and includes 3 squirrels. Whilst we admit our cockapoo isn't a big chewer, the Hide a Squirrel dog toy has lasted extremely well with the log base and all 3 squirrels still intact after a year. We found with some added human interaction, the Hide a Squirrel toy provides just the right level of engagement without losing your dog's interest. And finally, at number 1, we have the Outward Hound Nina Ottosson Dog Casino dog puzzle. This particular design, the Dog Casino, is a level 3 game, so is recommended for more challenging play, although we found it can easily be adapted to suit your dog. The idea behind the dog casino is for your dog to slide the drawers open to access the treats hidden inside. If your dog is good at solving puzzles, you can further challenge them by simply twisting the bone-shaped white handles to lock the drawers in place. We introduced the puzzle with a couple of drawers slightly ajar to entice Freddy. Once he was able to pull the drawers open to reveal the treats inside, we shut the drawers completely. Lastly, we began to turn the bones to lock the handles in place, and with some guidance Freddy was able to start unlocking them. This stage is very tricky. Made from tough plastic, so not only can you use it for wet or even frozen treats, it's dishwasher proof too.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon